Hey man, I'm tired of listening to stories. I'm tired of listening to theories. You're just giving me theories and stories. I understand planning is really important, online presence is important, even action is important. But how to take that action? I think you have this question in your mind, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, as we saw in the episode Spider-Man versus Thor, so you might have a question. What is that episode? It is episode number 2, and the link is in the I button. You need to click on that. So when Spider-Man is doing something, he's trying to impress someone. Okay, I'm using intentionally someone because I don't want to break the suspense part. So Spider-Man is intentionally trying to impress someone, and he's following that person wherever he's going. The first step of a business to reach to the audience, not only for the business. Okay, you cannot ask a person directly for a business in the first call itself. It is very difficult. Don't you agree on this point?
Yes.
The best way to describe is like, it is often advised if you want to, propose a girl, first of all, you just approach her as a friend. And after friendship, after spending some time with each other, then you propose that girl. Then here, the probability of getting into successful relationship, it is way much high as in comparison to, I would like to share my one of my life's experiences. Once upon a time, in my school days, I was in love with some girl. I followed that girl everywhere she went, and I never spoke with her. I saw her many times. She also saw me. We exchanged smile more or often, and I thought that she loves me. And one day she was walking on the street. She was holding a bicycle in her hand, and to the left side, her friend was walking. I went there on my bicycle. I directly proposed her. I said, "I love you." Then the response was very nice. The response was, "I don't know you. Who are you?" She ended the response part with the last sentence. "I really don't understand. From anywhere, any person comes and proposes me. What the hell is this?"
Yes. I thought the response would be a slap. So sorry.
Fortunately, she didn't slap me. So same thing we're going to do. We are not going to directly propose to the customer that you come to us and take our services or buy our product. What we are going to do, we are going to boost engagement and the likes of the audience. We are going to make some kind of a friendship with the customer, and then we will have a business from the customer. Sounds fair?
Yes, sounds very fair. But what is the procedure or step?
There are multiple ways to build a rapport with the customer. One of the best ways I would recommend is to start off with Facebook ad campaigns, where we will not ask the customer for any details. We will just make some post or a video which will talk about society, which will talk about your business, which can talk about anything, and we will make some engaging content where we will get likes, comments, or maybe they can share also that content on that particular Facebook post. So to do that, there's a very easy way, and that will be shown by to you by Deepa.
Yes, thank you. So I'll tell you how to boost your post. First, you need to log in your Facebook page. My Facebook page is webwise. So I have added some posts in my page. There you can see a blue button, boost post. So I want to boost this video. So I'll click on that button. Then it's coming. What is your goal to run this post? So automatic, get more message, get more video view, get more leads, or whatever it is. So I'll select get more messages. This is my ultimate goal. Then next it is coming like special ad category. It is like social issue or election or politics. You just ignore it. You can also add up your WhatsApp number, but for timing I will select messenger. Here it is coming welcome message, frequently asked question. You can set over here. You can go and edit your frequently asked question and or also welcome message. Here it is coming people you choose through targeting. I'll click on edit. You just need to put which location you need to target. I'll put over here India. Add characteristic like what they are interested in. So I'm targeting business owners, small business and all, their age and everything. So I've selected it. Here it is coming estimate daily result. Here it is coming for 100 rupees you will reach 200 to 500 people, and for how many days you need to set. So for example I have set to boost this post for 5 days. Here is coming at payment option. So all these options are here. So I'll select the Paytm. So you can select your preferable option. So I'll submit the next. Here it coming all my detail. I have to fill up this box. So I'm done. Then here it is coming amount to add. So for your reference I'm adding 500 rupees. Then next I have successfully added the money. You can see 500 balance, and here the payment summary, and done. And over here it's coming, your ad is under review, it's in review, but it won't take 24 hours. It will take less time. So this is your detail, you can have a look. Done. Thank you.
As you see now, we can boost the post and we can create our online presence. This way, you will be able to connect with your audience. And the next step is going to come. That is, we're going to ask for some details. We're going to talk about our services. We're going to talk about our products, whatever business we are doing. For that, you need to go for the second step of online presence. That is, run the paid campaign ads of Facebook's, like for lead generation, lead conversion. There are different types of it. So I think for today, we just wanted to discuss about how you can build connection with your audience, how you can boost the post. If you want some kind of a services for your business in terms of marketing or in terms of building a website or app, any digital service, if you need, you can schedule a free consulting call with us. And for that, you need to just take the description, and we have a special offer for digital marketing services where we will give you 7 days free trial.
I understood the boosting part. What is the next?
You need to be patient, okay, and one step at a time. So you know what you need to do. Stay tuned for the next
Yes,
step.
yes, yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. See you soon in the next podcast.